Sometimes it happens that birds break the mosquito net. This is how they leave damage and gnats, and mosquitoes can penetrate through it. Now I'll show you how you can locally repair this mosquito net. The first thing I did was cut off a patch like this. I had pieces left. After installing the meshes, that is, it will not be enough to completely cover the entire grid, but we will still dial for such a piece. The next moment I'm teasing this tourniquet a little. And I pull it out carefully. Further, I'm putting a patch on. We put it out and return it be in your place. At first, just pressing with your fingers. So we return it with our fingers, we put it in place, but this is with our fingers for now. If anyone has a special roller, you can do it with a roller. I'll do this carefully, like this. This is a retort. Next we have these left. The edges can be trimmed a little. You also need to trim very carefully so as not to cut the mesh. That is, this is how we remove everything superfluous under the circle. Due to the fact that we are tighter here, we put our flagellas. It turns out to be a good stretch here. That is, in principle, it already holds well here. A mosquito wanted pass, but what exactly was perfect? I will use super glue. Spilled this one. Perimeter. Well, I used super glue effectively for this purpose. I bonded 2 grids securely. Well, in order to speed up the gluing of the super glue, that is, so that the mesh can be pressed well, I glide with a homemade activator for the super glue. If anyone is interested, please visit my channel. In my video, I demonstrate and explain how to create a budget-friendly homemade activator for super glue. You may ask why I immediately made such a wide patch. I think the birds will be there anyway. In the spring they hunt for midges and will chop through the net, and so that there is immediately a double layer of mesh here, especially since this piece is an anti-fly, that is, it is metal there. Metal wire, that is, birds will not penetrate, and due to the fact that I have such a long strip, I immediately protected the entire place of possible penetration by birds.